She claimed all killings were in self-defense, alleging that her victims had either raped or attempted to rape her. Notably, her first victim, Richard Mallory, had a prior conviction for attempted rape, lending some credibility to her claims, though forensic evidence and her inconsistent accounts raised doubts about her narrative in other cases. From a forensic science perspective, the investigation relied heavily on physical evidence. Victims' bodies were recovered with bullet wounds, and ballistic analysis linked the .22 caliber weapon to Wuornos. Her fingerprints were found in stolen vehicles, and items belonging to victims were traced to pawn shops she frequented. The turning point came when Warnos and Moore were identified as suspects after witnesses reported seeing two women in a victim's car. Moore, under pressure from law enforcement, elicited a confession from Wuornos during a taped phone call on January 16, 1991. Wuornos was arrested on January 9, 1991, at the Last Resort Biker Bar in Port Orange, Florida. Psychological profile and trial. As a forensic psychologist, Wuornos' mental state is a critical point of analysis. During her trials, defense psychiatrists argued she suffered from borderline personality disorder, characterized by emotional instability, impulsivity, and intense interpersonal conflicts. Her history of trauma, including alleged abuse and a lack of stable relationships, supports this diagnosis. However, her inconsistent accounts of the murders, ranging from self-defense to admitting premeditation, suggested possible pathological lying, a trait associated with antisocial personality disorder, ASPD. Some experts also noted signs of paranoia and delusions, particularly in her later years on death row, where she claimed external conspiracies against her. Forensic evidence presented at trial included ballistic matches, stolen property, and Wuornos' own confessions. She was convicted of Richard Mallory's murder on January 27, 1992, and sentenced to death. She later pleaded no contest or guilty to 5 additional murders, receiving a total of 6 death sentences. Her defense's argument of self-defense was undermined by inconsistencies, and the prosecution's portrayal of her as a predatory killer motivated by robbery.